Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have a 2016 Porsche Cayenne SE Hybrid. This is Porsche's second generation of the Cayenne, the 958 code name, which was introduced back in 2010 and ran all the way up to 2018. Since this is a 2016 model, it is the facelift which was introduced halfway through the production line in 2014, and it was the first plug-in hybrid Cayenne that they ever produced, since with the pre-facelift it was just a regular hybrid. Now the only way that you can tell that this is a plug-in hybrid is by the green accents which are found throughout the car, such as the green brake calipers, and if the car has its regular badging, the Cayenne S badge at the rear, and here at the side a e-hybrid badge, then you also have lime green accents throughout the car which signify that it's a hybrid. Luckily this car has been debadged all around, so the only way that you can see that is a hybrid is by the green brake calipers. Now even though this is a hybrid, it is definitely not a slouch. It is powered by a 3-liter supercharged V6 mated to a hybrid system, in total producing 416 horsepower and 590 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour is in the low 5 seconds, and it has a limited top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. The engine, in fact, is the same 3-liter supercharged V6 that you can find in the Audi S4 and S5 B8 generation. I, in fact, filmed one last year, a S5 B8 with the supercharged V6 and a Stage 2 tune, in case you want to see how that car sounds and performs. As I mentioned before, you have acid green accents throughout the car, signifying that it is a hybrid, such as the Cayenne S badge here at the footsill, as well as the green dials in the gauge cluster. Now normally a Cayenne and all Porsches have a speedometer here on the left side of the tachometer, but this being a hybrid, you have a power meter. This generation Cayenne, along with the first generation Panamera, had a unique interior because they had this center console with loads of buttons, which some people didn't like. However, when they moved to screens, then people started appreciating these physical buttons. This car is well optioned since you have a panoramic roof, full leather seats with the Porsche logo in the headrests, Bose sound system, leather dashboards, and the sports chrono watch at the top of the dash. And here we have the engine, the 3-liter supercharged V6 from Audi. As I mentioned, it has 416 horsepower and 590 Nm of torque. That is combined engine and electric motor. However, the engine itself produces 333 horsepower, which is the same as a stock S4 or S5 Audi. With the third generation Cayenne e-hybrids, Porsche moved to a 3-liter turbo V6, which is also the same one in the S4 and S5 of the generation. And of course, since this is a hybrid, you have these orange cables which are connected between the transmission and the engine to fill in the gaps or to run in fully electric modes.